Hey, this is Kevin and we are back together in the project cave with my Kobalt 10-inch sliding compound miter saw with laser guide. Now, I really love the versatility of this saw. However, out of the box it needed some adjustment to get it to cut square, and I was never able to adjust the laser properly in spite of following the manual. It said the laser is set to the right side of the blade by default, and when I adjusted the left to right and the angle of the laser, I could never get it right up against the blade so I could see where the blade was going to hit exactly. So I got to thinking about it and I said there's got to be a way to fix this, and I discovered that there is. Now, before we work on this saw, the saw has to be energized. It's got to be plugged in to get the laser to turn on. Now, I don't want to be near this saw with it plugged in if I'm working near the blade and maybe having the blade guard up. So there is a little hole in the top. I'm just going to stick this screwdriver through. That's through the trigger, so I can't accidentally pull the trigger while the saw is plugged in. When I figured out how to do this, I disconnected the laser housing from the saw. Now there's still a wire, so I didn't yank it real hard. I just lifted it up just so I could look. Inside you can see the laser. If you look over here, you can see these two adjustment points are poking through. There's two rails that the sled for the laser is riding on, but then if you look close, there's a piece of threaded rod. Now if you flip this over, you can see that it's covered by a little cap. I put the housing back onto the saw, and then I got my utility knife here. I'm just going to pop that little cap off. Pop that off. There's another screw right in there. Now I know that may adjust that laser left to right, because that's the piece of thread and the housing rides on a little sled. So we're going to start playing with that a little bit. Right now the laser guide, the beam, is to the right side of the blade, so I want it to go to the left. So I'm going to pop that screwdriver in here and start turning. Lefty-loosey, I guess, to push it away. And there it is now on the left side of the blade. Now I can go ahead and try and fine-tune the adjustment to get it to line up the right way next to the cut line that I have marked out here. Just like that, we're all done. Laser's on the left side of the blade. I don't have to lose sight of my hand. This hand's safe on the handle. Ready to cut. We're good to go. I'm looking forward to using this saw even more now. If you found this video helpful, if you liked it, give me a thumbs up, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. Let me know what you think with a comment below. I'm Kevin, and I'll see you next time in the Project Cave.